Welcome to an exquisite residence in Toorak, where elegance meets design mastery. Crafted by the renowned Nicholas Day and surrounded by stunning landscapes by Jack Merlot, this mansion redefines luxury for those who appreciate the extraordinary. Step into a grand reception hall adorned with marble floors, leading into a sophisticated office and an inviting formal sitting room. The heart of the home is a magnificent living and dining area, illuminated by a full-height window wall, seamlessly connected to a chef's kitchen equipped with Gaggenau appliances, a fully stocked butler's pantry, and elegant marble countertops. Outside, the beautifully landscaped private gardens create a resort-like atmosphere. A striking solid marble staircase, complemented by a commercial-grade lift, connects all levels of this stunning residence. The first floor hosts 4 luxurious bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms. The palatial master suite features a grand entry, an expansive dressing room, and an ensuite adorned in Italian marble with breathtaking north-facing city views. The upper level boasts an entertainer's dream space, with a Wolf barbecue kitchen, versatile indoor-outdoor areas, and a rooftop terrace offering unmatched skyline vistas. Descend to the basement, a sophisticated entertainment haven filled with natural light. It includes a climate-controlled wine cellar, an impressive titanium gold granite bar, a home theatre, and a spacious gym. For car enthusiasts, a 6-car garage with glass walls and a turntable showcases your collection in style. Equipped with a state-of-the-art security system, climate control, automated features, and luxurious finishes, it's a true masterpiece waiting to be cherished.